Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days. Today is 6:05 in the morning. I've been out here since nearly 5:30 in my canning kitchen. Many ask why I'm not in the canning kitchen. I was here all day yesterday, most of last week. We were inside some days, a week or so before, but the wind has died down. I can stay out most days, but let me show you what I got going on. And the rooster's already crowing. 7 quarts of blueberries. Got a video, if I can just get it edited, showing I will run these. It's just blueberries and a light syrup, running them when it gets up to a boil, about 20 minutes. I'll take them out. I've got my light syrup here. I'm fixing to add more. I think it's 4 cups of water to 1 cup of sugar. I'll build this back up. Got my station going here. Still got this many blueberries. Danny just brought in some stuff here. Zucchini, squash, and okra. I've got to go get the rest of the okra. We're going to be canning okra today. And this many blueberries. So I've got 7 quarts going. Probably have 14 more quarts according to yesterday's canning. Because I put the blueberries from 2 days ago in the cooler and I processed them yesterday. We picked yesterday morning, so this was yesterday morning's picking. They've been in the cooler overnight. This is what I did yesterday. Alright, these are blueberries. I did 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 quarts of blueberries. Then I did 8 pints of blueberry. This is like jam here. So this is jam. This is just blueberries to use in pies and stuff. Then I did 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pints of onions. Isn't that beautiful? Danny just thinks that's the prettiest color for those onions. I don't know why they turned out that white, but they do. So that was yesterday's canning. I've got to wipe the tops, write on them, things like that, and get them to the cellar. But we're going to do probably this much blueberries today. We're going to do at least 1 canner of onions today. And then I've got a canner, I don't have to can okra, but I've got to put the okra up, so I'll have 4, 5, 6 jars of okra. So for all of you that wonder where I am in my canning kitchen, I'm out here most days. This time of the year, the canning kitchen's open almost at least every other day, and recently every day, just about it. We do a lot of canning, some pressure canning, but right now we're in water bath mode, and I also freeze-dried. I freeze-dried onions and okra yesterday. So that got put up, and we're going to be doing more onions in the freeze dryer. Plus, we're going to be canning some more. Slowly but surely, the cooler has made a huge difference, and it has bought me time to get all this stuff done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed a little bit about the canning kitchen today and what we've been doing here at Deep South. Thank you from Crazy Days.